What if your car broke down tomorrow, or you got a surprise medical bill for 60% of Americans? That means going into debt. But what if I told you that in just 30 days? You could have $1,000 sitting in your account, your financial safety net. I'm Alpha, and this is the exact sprint I used to build my first emergency fund. No fluff, no just save more advice. Just a step-by-step 30-day plan that actually works. Let's go. Here's the reality. Most emergencies cost between $500 and $1,000. A car repair, a dental issue, a broken phone, you name it. $1,000 covers about 80% of common emergencies. It's not your forever fund, but it's your I won't panic fund. Think of it as buying yourself peace of mind. Once you have this, everything else gets easier. Let's break down the math. $1,000 in 30 days means about $33 per day. I know that sounds impossible if you're living paycheck to paycheck, but here's the thing, you're not going to save $33 every single day. Some days you'll save $50, some days $20, some days maybe just $5. It averages out. The key is having multiple streams of savings, not just one. And I'm about to show you exactly what those streams are. Stream 1. Stop the money leaks. I want you to do something right now. Pull up your bank statement and look at subscriptions. The average person has 12 subscriptions they forgot about. That's $150 to $200 per month just vanishing. Cancel what you don't use. Pause what you can live without for 30 days. Negotiate what you keep. Call your phone company, your internet provider. Say you're considering switching. I save $40 a month just by making phone calls. That's $40 straight to your emergency fund. Stream 2, the 24-hour rule. This one's simple but powerful. For the next 30 days, anytime you want to buy something, non-essential clothes, gadgets, that fancy coffee, wait 24 hours. Here's what happens. About 70% of the time, you won't want it anymore. The impulse fades. That $30 shirt, after sleeping on it, you realize you have 3 just like it. That $15 lunch, you can make something better at home. Track what you didn't buy. I use a simple note on my phone. In my first week, I saved $127 just by waiting. That money, straight to the emergency fund. Stream 3, quick cash injections. Sometimes you need to add money, not just save it. Here are 3 fast ways. 1. Sell stuff. Look around your room. That old phone, those clothes you never wear, that gaming console collecting dust. I sold 3 items in one weekend and made $180. List on Facebook Marketplace. It's faster than eBay too. What I'm gigs. Dog walking, food delivery, TaskRabbit jobs. Even 2 shifts can bring in $100 to $150. It's temporary, but it's acceleration. 3. Use cashback apps. Rakuten, Ibotta, Fetch. You're buying groceries anyway, get 2% to 10% back. It's not huge, but it's free money. I earned $23 in my first month. Here's your secret weapon, a daily tracker. Every night, spend 30 seconds logging what you saved. $15 from canceled subscriptions, $20 from the 24-hour rule, $50 from selling that old bike. Seeing the number grow is addictive. It becomes a game. Can you beat yesterday? Can you hit $1,000 by day 25 instead of day 30? The tracker keeps you honest and motivated. 30 days. $1,000. It's not Magic Kit's method. Cut the leaks, wait 24 hours, inject quick cash, and track daily. That's the sprint. If you're starting this challenge today, comment sprint below. I want to see who's in. And if you want the exact daily tracker I use, the link is in the description, completely free. Subscribe and hit the bell if you want more no-nonsense money strategies. Next week, I'm breaking down how to turn this $1,000 into your first investment. You don't want to miss it. Now go start your sprint. You've got this.